Well, Dinky, I haven't seen you in this bathtub in months and months and months. Now that you're almost 10 months old, you still going to play in it? Huh? Little Trill? Little Trill? Oh, God, Bruiser's going to get in it. And then so Dinky gets out because you're so big. What are you doing, Bruiser? What are you doing? What you doing, Bruiser? You being a good boy? Well, that's your stomach. No. Playing all by yourself because your sisters won't play with you because you're so mean? All by yourself? Taz? Little Taz? You're a sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. Another little sibling of the rescues. Taz and Bruiser and Dinky and Minnie and Tabby. Minnie's the mom. Well, how about if I come over here and reach down and get a couple of the Mylar balls. There we got Dinky. I'm sorry, Dinky. It's your bathtub and everybody's in here. That's just not right. I'm sorry, Dinky. No, I hear you, Tabby. Bruiser and Taz. With Dinky watching. Bruiser, don't be mean to her. There's Tabby going to the rescue. And they're gone.